I guess it was Darth Vader. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard and welcome back to Bubba's Daily Update. Feels like I've been gone a year, but it's only been 4 days. Anyways, it looks like Darth Vader came to the door today. They tried to get the market up and they just could not do it. They remember the old jingle, they tried, but they couldn't do it. They couldn't get them up. And of course, you had a pretty big sell-off here today. But I think the bigger story is not the Dow and not the S&P, but really the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, which was up over 50 ticks at one point in the day, actually closed lower and made a big run to the downside. I think that's very telling. You know, Amazon was up about 40 bucks and didn't make it, you know. So there's a lot of things going on that indicate that what we've said all along is that the tops of the markets are most likely in and rallies are meant to be sold. So we may see a rip your face off tomorrow, but for today, you've got a market that looks like it wants to go lower. And again, right now, rallies are meant to be sold. You got to find a good solid level that looks like it's going to resist the upcoming rally and look to be a seller there. Gold got smushed today. Bitcoin flew higher. Interesting dynamics. You know, again, we wonder about the relationship between gold and Bitcoin. And again, I think they'll both go up eventually. I think gold is under pressure, and I think you're starting to see that interest rates are going to rise no matter what the Fed tries to do, no matter how much they try to manipulate the dollar. The interest rates are going higher. You can take that to the bank, as they say. But we had a much lower market, and of course they were going down in chunks, and they started going down, and you know that's really the overall story. Bonds were lower once again. Now you should probably see a bounce here in bonds, you know, any day now. A nice hard short covering rally, because again, you're not going to see the markets continue to go straight down. There's going to be some spike to the upside. The dollar did bounce off the lows as we suspected. Oil tried to rally, could not maintain it, and actually closed somewhere near the flat line. But we believe oil is going much lower, not just a little lower, but much lower. But again, you want to wait for the rally to sell. We never want to sell down into the hole. We want to wait till it comes to us to be able to go ahead and sell that. Grains, you know, I was on RFD this morning, and I said they'd all be a sale. You know, beans were up 15 cents, corn was up 3, and wheat was about unchanged, and they're all lower. Okay, soybeans ended up 4 cents, but again, they all sold back off. I think that's something to look at. Again, they're probably a little bit overdone. Now, in the grain space, I'm looking for the pullback to be a buyer. Equities, we're looking for a rally to sell. Grains, we're looking for a pullback to buy. And I think cattle's about ready to throw in the towel here and should go a lot lower. The pattern is starting to change, and it's becoming more bearish than bullish now, even though we're going up. Hogs look like they're still a pretty good buy. But overall, the big picture here is very simple. Okay, the markets look like they're ready to go down, and they look like they're ready to break. So look for those hard, vicious rallies that look so good you want to be in. Those are the ones you want to sell. Find a good level, find a spot, and look for your opportunity to jump in, because that's really what the market's telling us right now. The market is sending out messages. That is the footprint that we talk about. So make sure you follow the footprint and don't chase the markets around. Either way, wait for your spot no matter what you're trying to do. That's what you want to look for here. This is Bubba's Daily Update. And of course, remember our highschoolinvesting.com website and our program that we are in a little over 300 high schools. We're looking for your help if you can. Go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And if you do make a donation there, I will give you one free week of the advisory. And the advisory had 2 nice winners today. So it helped pay that benefit right away. And don't forget to get the Bubba Show every day at 4 to 5 Eastern Time at LibertyTalk.fm. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Same time, same station. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.